YouTube video of Jura Ena 9. Tray is in backwards. We can't get the tray out. Doesn't go in, doesn't go out. So the reason for that is right inside there, there's a switch that's not being made. So what we're going to do is use popsicle stick and needle nose pliers, and we are going to make the switch. Going in like this and pressing it. And when we press that, it thinks it's in there. And there it comes out. So all we had to do was make the little switch right here. Can you zoom in or get closer to that? Just move the phone closer and make the switch. And as soon as we do that, it thinks it's there. Hope that helps you.